welcome to my channel. Here's an update on House of Zwide. Sunday goes to speak to Palis after Nkosi gave him an ultimatum. He either apologizes and fires Upalisa or he packs up and leaves the collective. Upalisa is like, don't let him boss you around. He can't be threatening you like that. He needs you. The collective needs you. E-Tribe is making a lot of money for a collective, so he can't just fire you like that. Actually, when you can do very well on your own, you can start your own shop. I'm here, I'll help you. Utu Sandile, no, I need the collective. Your success, your tribe depends on the collective. Atu Palisa, no, you don't. Sandile, but I don't have that much experience with business. Atu, don't worry, I'm here. I'm going to help you. I'm going to handle the business side of things. You bring in the talent. So together we can do this. Palisa wants to be partner. Sandile is actually buying this because they can actually do well together. And then Faith thinks ukuthi yazini Nkosi did a good thing. Nomsizi they think Nkosi did a good thing giving uSandile an ultimatum because nje i-tribe needs that wake up call usuyikhohliwe uSandile. And then Usoga speaks to Sandile saying, what is it that I hear from Umam ukuthi wena Nkosi has given in an ultimatum? Is it actually Nkosi is threatening to fire i-tribe from the collective? What are you doing to our business, Sandile? Yini engakho intombazane ekenza yona that has you blinded ukuthi you can't even think straight? USandile akayiboni shem lento, feels like uNkosi nje needs to respect him njengengeke amxoshe blah blah blah. I-tribe is doing so well, uNkosi needs it. Sandile, vuka, this is not just about money. Vuka, don't let Nkosi exercise his power of showing you who's boss. On the other hand, Maria wants Mampo's daughter Ubusi to enter this other ad. Apparently they're going to win 16k. Talks to Mampo about it, but Mampo's like, please don't exploit my child. Ubusi, usalingwana, let her be a child. But Nkgolo is just focused on the 16k, thinking she needs to get the 16k. And then tries to involve Tado. Tad's like, please don't involve me. Maria doesn't listen. Audition, takes Ubusi to the audition. Busi actually does great in the audition. And then family Isaac is worried about Carter being back, thinking, are we safe? Should we be worried? But Isaac like, don't worry, I'm handling it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.